200 sentences about household problems. The stairs are creaky. The stairs are creaky. The towel rack is falling. The towel rack is falling. The closet light won't turn on. The closet light won't turn on. The vent is blocked. The vent is blocked. The water filter needs replacing. The water filter needs replacing. The pantry door is scratched. The pantry door is scratched. The garden gate is rusted. The garden gate is rusted. The toilet seat is loose. The toilet seat is loose. The faucet aerator is clogged. The faucet aerator is clogged. The garage door motor is noisy. The garage door motor is noisy. The ceiling tile is stained. The ceiling tile is stained. The picture hook is bent. The picture hook is bent. The fire extinguisher is empty. The fire extinguisher is empty. The pool cover is torn. The pool cover is torn. The driveway light is out. The driveway light is out. The doormat is worn. The doormat is worn. The fence latch is stuck. The fence latch is stuck. The compost bin smells bad. The compost bin smells bad. The vegetable drawer is broken. The vegetable drawer is broken. Thank you for like and subscribe us. The window shade is stuck. The window shade is stuck. The garden fence is leaning. The garden fence is leaning. The outdoor light won't turn off. The outdoor light won't turn off. The deck boards are loose. The deck boards are loose. The bird feeder is empty. The bird feeder is empty. The hedge trimmer is dull. The hedge trimmer is dull. The treehouse ladder is broken. The treehouse ladder is broken. The water hose nozzle is stuck. The water hose nozzle is stuck. The garden swing is squeaky. The garden swing is squeaky. The porch light is dim. The porch light is dim. The gutter spout is detached. The gutter spout is detached. The attic door won't shut. The attic door won't shut. The freezer door is frosty. The freezer door is frosty. The oven light is out. The oven light is out. The kitchen floor is sticky. The kitchen floor is sticky. The faucet sprays water sideways. The faucet sprays water sideways. The dishwasher smells bad. The dishwasher smells bad. The vacuum cleaner isn't suctioning. The vacuum cleaner isn't suctioning. The ironing board is wobbly. The ironing board is wobbly. The clock hands are stuck. The clock hands are stuck. The washing machine leaks. The washing machine leaks. The freezer isn't freezing. The freezer isn't freezing. The water filter is leaking. The water filter is leaking. The coffee maker is clogged. The coffee maker is clogged. The electric kettle won't heat. The electric kettle won't heat. The blender blades are dull. The blender blades are dull. The toaster burns bread. The toaster burns bread. The dining chair is unstable. The dining chair is unstable. The knife block is loose. The knife block is loose. The pot lid handle is broken. The pot lid handle is broken. The stove burner won't light. The stove burner won't light.